Hi guys, I would just like to invite everyone to watch my fight tomorrow, whether by going to the event, personally, going to Santa Lucia Mall, Building 3 basement, or watching my fight live tomorrow at 1 p.m. starting time at Juego Todo page at Facebook or UGB Facebook page. As shown in the screen, this is the fight card for tomorrow. First bout po ako sa laban ko bukas, which is boxing match at 61 kilograms. You can also support me and the event organizers in which I'll be fighting on by buying your tickets now, by scanning the QR code that is shown in the screen right now, and putting me as the agent. Bili na kayo guys, may mga parapol pa yan nakasama pagka nanood kay 7. Also tomorrow pag nagpunta kayo dun sa event, there's also available walk-in tickets na tag 500 pesos each lang. Makakapasok na kayo at makakapanood ng basakan. Yun lang guys, thank you ulit sa lahat ng sumuporta sa akin at lalo na sa mga taong tumutulong sa akin na mapunta pangarap ko. Lalo na sa aking coach na si Coach Renz at sa Team Life Fit Workout Lab. Maraming salamat.
Till the room comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out.